Welcome to House Lux Estate, your go-to channel for insights into the world of event planning and luxury lifestyle. Today, we're embarking on a captivating journey into the realm of event planning, a profession that has grown exponentially in recent years. As the world becomes more connected, events, both digital and physical, have taken center stage, bringing people together for business, entertainment, or social causes. This growth has led to a surge in demand for skilled event planners who can create memorable experiences. But what does it take to excel in this field? Why is understanding the nuances of event planning so crucial? It's more than just choosing a venue or sending out invitations. It requires strategic planning, creativity, adaptability, and a keen understanding of your audience's needs. In this video, we will delve into the 10 essential things you need to know about the event planning business. The first thing to understand about event planning is its scope. The world of event planning is as diverse as it is dynamic, encompassing a range of event types, each with its own unique requirements and challenges. Let's start with corporate events. These are professional gatherings that could be internal, such as team-building events, or external, like product launches. They require a keen eye for detail, logistical prowess, and an understanding of corporate etiquette. Then we have weddings, a realm that calls for creativity, exceptional organizational skills, and a flair for creating memorable experiences. Parties, whether birthdays, anniversaries, or themed events, are another facet. They demand a knack for creating fun and engaging atmospheres. Lastly, conferences. These large-scale events need rigorous planning, effective communication, and expertise in managing large crowds. Remember, each type requires a different set of skills and resources. The scope of event planning is vast, and understanding this is the first step towards success in this field. Let's move on to the second point, which is the skills required in the event planning business. Now, you might be wondering, what skills do I need to shine in this industry? Well, let's break it down. First, organization is key. Event planning is like conducting an orchestra. Every detail must be in sync and timed perfectly. Without proper organization, even the best-laid plans can fall apart. Next, you need top-notch communication skills. As an event planner, you'll need to liaise with clients, vendors, staff, and sometimes the press. Clear, concise, and effective communication can make or break a successful event. Thirdly, creativity. From venue decoration to problem solving, a pinch of creativity can make a world of difference. Lastly, but certainly not least, is problem solving. In this business, things won't always go as planned. That's when your problem-solving skills will save the day, turning potential disasters into memorable moments. Mastering these skills is key to thriving in the event planning industry. Networking is our third point and a vital aspect of event planning. Imagine your professional network as a vast, interconnected web. Each strand represents a connection that can potentially lead to new clients, reliable vendors, and coveted venues. Establishing and nurturing these relationships is the key to success in this industry. It's not just about exchanging business cards at events. It's about forming meaningful connections that can open doors for you. Networking also allows you to stay on top of industry trends, learn from the experiences of others, and even find mentors who can guide you on your journey. It can be as simple as joining online forums, attending industry meetups, or participating in workshops. Remember, when it comes to event planning, the quality of your work will get you far. However, the strength of your network can take you even further. Because in event planning, your network is your net worth. Our fourth point is about dealing with vendors. Vendors are a vital cog in the wheel of successful event planning. The key to working effectively with them lies in building and maintaining strong relationships. It's essential to approach these relationships with respect and understanding. It's not just about getting the best price, but also about ensuring quality and reliability. Negotiation is a major part of dealing with vendors. Remember, negotiation is not about winning or losing, but about reaching a mutually beneficial agreement. When negotiating, be fair and reasonable. Understand the vendor's perspective and find common ground. Managing vendor relationships is another essential aspect. Regular communication, setting clear expectations, and providing timely feedback are all part of this process. It's crucial to keep the lines of communication open and to deal with issues as they arise. Remember, your vendors are your partners in making the event a success. Effective vendor management can make or break your event. Next up is budgeting, one of the most critical aspects of event planning. It's the financial blueprint that gives your event a clear direction. Start by listing all potential expenses, from venue hire to decor, catering, and entertainment. Don't forget to factor in marketing costs, staff salaries, and any permits or licenses you might need. Managing costs is all about negotiation and relationship building with your vendors. And always factor in a contingency, around 10 to 20% of your total budget. This is your safety net for any unexpected expenses that might pop up. Remember, a budget isn't set in stone. It's a living, breathing document that you should revisit and revise regularly. Keep track of actual costs as they come in and adjust your budget accordingly. In event planning, surprises are rarely pleasant and certainly not when they hit your wallet. A well-managed budget is the backbone of a successful event. The 7th point we'll cover is marketing. Now, marketing isn't just about selling tickets. It's about telling a story that resonates with your target audience. It's about creating a buzz, a sense of anticipation that makes your event the talk of the town. There are many marketing strategies to choose from. Traditional methods like flyer distribution and billboard advertising can still be effective. But in this digital age, online marketing is key. Social media platforms, email campaigns, content marketing, and influencer partnerships can help you reach a wider audience more efficiently. Don't forget the power of word-of-mouth marketing. Engage your attendees, encourage them to spread the word about your event, and create a community around it. Remember, the best marketing doesn't feel like marketing at all. Lastly, always track your marketing efforts. This will help you understand what works and what doesn't, and fine-tune your strategies accordingly. Effective marketing can significantly enhance the visibility and success of your event. Let's talk about the legal aspects, our 8th point. Now, event planning isn't just about balloons and confetti. There's a serious side to it too. Yes, I'm talking about contracts, permits, and insurance. Understanding contracts is vital. Whether it's a contract with a client or a vendor, make sure you read the fine print. Know what you're signing up for and what are the terms of agreement. It's like a safety net, providing clarity and protection for both parties involved. Next, we have permits. Depending on the nature of your event, you might require specific permits. It could be for serving alcohol, using a public space, or even for loud music. Ensuring you have the necessary permits keeps you in line with the law and prevents any unforeseen disruptions. Lastly, let's touch on insurance. Accidents happen, and when they do, having insurance can save you from hefty costs and legal complications. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Being aware of the legal aspects can save you from potential pitfalls in the future. Our 9th point is about the role of technology in event planning. Technology is the secret sauce that can turn a good event into a spectacular one. It's like an invisible assistant that streamlines and enhances every aspect of the planning process. Consider event management software. These platforms allow you to organize and track every detail, from guest lists to seating charts, all in one place. They can automate tasks, send reminders, and provide detailed analytics to help you evaluate your event's success. Then we have online ticketing systems. These digital platforms make ticket selling and tracking a breeze. They can handle payments, issue e-tickets, and even aid in promoting your event. And let's not forget about virtual reality. Yes, you heard it right. Virtual reality can give your guests a sneak peek of the venue or help you visualize the event layout before anything is set up. Embracing technology can streamline your event planning process and enhance the overall experience. The final point we'll discuss is dealing with unforeseen circumstances. In the world of event planning, unpredictability is the only constant. That's why having a plan B is not just an option, but a necessity. Imagine you've planned an outdoor event and the weather decides to play spoilsport. What do? You switch to your rain plan. From backup venues to alternative vendors, a good event planner always has a safety net ready. But having a plan B is just the beginning. The key to dealing with unforeseen circumstances lies in being flexible and adaptable. Things may not always go according to plan, but a great event planner rides the waves of change with grace and poise. They improvise, adapt, and overcome. Remember, in the face of adversity, your ability to think on your feet will set you apart. You're not just a planner, you're a problem solver. In event planning, being prepared for the unexpected is half the battle won. We've covered a lot of ground today in understanding the event planning business. We've explored the scope of this industry, highlighting the vast opportunities it presents. We've delved into the essential skills required, emphasizing the importance of creativity, organization, and communication. We've underscored the importance of networking, reminding you that your network is your net worth in this business. We've discussed dealing with vendors, the art of negotiation, and the importance of building strong relationships. We've explored budgeting, a fundamental aspect of event planning, and how effective marketing can take your business to new heights. We've touched on the legal aspects to consider, ensuring your business is always on the right side of the law. We've also looked at the role of technology in modern event planning and how to deal with unforeseen circumstances, a reality in this industry. Remember to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more insights into the event planning industry. Thank you for watching.